Alright guys, here is my 1984 Ford Ranger. It's old, slow, leaks a little bit of everything, but somehow it keeps going. First thing, the wheels and tires. I got them cheap, which is perfect, because this whole truck is basically built on bad decisions. I got that lift set up. Is the alignment perfect? Absolutely not. Does it look cool? Yes. Under the hood is a 2.3 with the Weber carb setup. Half the time I'm tuning it, and the other half I'm wondering what vacuum line fell off now. Let's go around it. I also put dual exhaust on it because adding horsepower is expensive, but making noise is affordable. Inside, well, some of the factory gauges totally stopped participating in life. So I added aftermarket gauges that hopefully tell the truth. And yes, it's an automatic. Before you race me in the comments, I already want to manual swap it. But honestly, for a 40-year-old Ranger, it's doing pretty good. Comment what I should do next, and tell me if I should keep the automatic or manual swap it.